around the Ring of Fire, which runs around the Pacific Ocean, and to a lesser extent in the Atlantic Ocean, particularly along the Caribbean. The same geological situation as happens in Japan prevails, where one tectonic plate falls under another one, which is overriding it. And now we understand that in certain cases, the size of the fault can be such that magnitude 9 earthquakes can be generated. So all countries are reassessing the seismic risk around the Ring of Fire. And as far as French people and the Caribbean populations are concerned, we must really be very wary about the situation on the Caribbean arc. There has been a huge earthquake back in the 1840s, so the Earth has sort of not been silent, but has not had major earthquakes for the past 160 years, and we should really be very careful, educate the population, build buildings properly, and continue research to check that such a disaster doesn't happen and doesn't happen. We can't do anything about it, but if it happens, we'll be prepared. We have to be prepared.